Okay, so I don't know how to say this, but now that the photo's been leaked, I'm left with no choice but to come out and say, yes, it is me. It is me. मैं क्या बोलूँ मैं? It's me in the photo. And there's nothing more I want to say because first of all, it's a private matter. So I don't have to justify anything to anyone, especially the media. So I don't know how it went out, and it's a very personal moment, and I will surely get to the bottom of it as to who was responsible for this. And who managed to, I mean, it's such a cheap thing to do here. It's somebody's personal life. It's distasteful and it's not needed. So to all my real fans and to people who are close to me, I hope I have your full support. When the time is right, and honestly when it's right, I promise I will explain everything. For now, I just need everybody to respect my privacy. That's all. Thank you.